traders, I'm looking at the Aussie Kiwi. Strong bearish trend on the daily time frame. It's definitely under pressure. It's traded into this level here. Okay, we have sell stops resting under these lows that this is currently eating into. In fact, it's already traded into this level, and you can see the reaction when it traded down and it reversed. Now continuing down, looking for further downside. My bias is definitely bearish, but I just want to get a bit of a higher time frame perspective, looking for targets on the, well, there's a target on the weekly, and yeah, that would be another target potentially. I mean, if this continues down on the weekly time frame. So we'll just mark up some daily targets, and then we'll go down to the lower time frame. Look back and look anywhere you see the low or the high trading up, okay, the close and open I should say, on the daily time frame will indicate a target that we could mark up on the chart. So that'd be my first target down in here. But the thing with this is it's currently overextended. Now you can use tools like this anchored VWAP. You can place it up here. Let's have a look at that and see what it says. See this white line, that's the mean, right? So we are currently 2 deviations out from the mean. So you want to be careful when price overextends and when it trades into a liquidity zone, a liquidity pool like this. We look at these lows under here, multiple touches. Okay, it's a big level, so you want to be a little bit careful. Down to the 4-hour time frame, you know, I'm always looking for the swing points on a 4H. And look, we can mark up this high, a low, a high. Well, you know, where do you want to go with that low? And it did pull back, admittedly. All right, I'm always looking for, if we grab the Fibonacci, previous high where this green candle is down to the low. Bear with me, I'll just do that again. High to low, yeah, the pullback into the 50. I mean, so, you know, this could be somewhere to short this, possibly. If we go down to the 15-minute, yep, so we're starting to see a break of structure here, or a shift break below here. But be careful, guys, it's Monday. There's a break of structure. All right, we have had the pullback. I'm inclined to sit this one out for a little bit. I don't want to be chasing price down here. So let's just follow it on the 15M, and I'm going to be looking for maybe something like this. Possibly, okay, we see it break and come back. That could be an opportunity to short, but I want a decisive break and a pullback. At the moment, this is the opportunity to get short would have been up here. So we've missed that. So we're waiting now for the next swing and retrace, and then that swing and retrace will have to be, you know, we could pull that wherever that lands, a pullback into equilibrium on the 15-minute time frame. Guys, that's my my take on the Aussie Kiwi. Yeah, that just about wraps it up. So I would really love to hear your comments. So definitely leave a comment below. And with that, I hope you have a great day. Safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.